Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at Euro Pound, as there could be a potential short opportunity forming on the markets. Now, Pound has actually been one of the strongest currencies of last week, and that can be put down to potentially the fact that the UK are now opening up after a successful vaccine rollout program. The UK are starting to open up for business as usual, and that could create some strength for the UK, for the pound, due to the fact that there will be people out basically just spending money in businesses. Businesses will then be able to afford to grow, or at least catch up, and maybe even some businesses repay the government-backed loans that they have received or grants that they have received. And this will also, go into the whole situation with the UK economy, and will likely boost the UK economy. So Pound is actually looking pretty strong, and this is the sort of flip to the seasonal pattern for Pound. Pound is usually a poor performing month, or usually has a poor performing month through May, but because of the situation that we are in, we are likely not going to see that seasonal pattern play out, and Euro Pound could be an interesting development. And the reason being is because recently price rallied from this significant level down through here around about 0.8499 is the sort of volume level down here, which is of interest. But this sort of zone down here is where price has sort of completely turned and seen a rally to the upside. Now what we've seen is something quite interesting. We had a consolidation pattern, a breakout, a retest of a volume level, and price dropped quite significantly to the downside. This is making me think that sellers are involved in the market here on Euro Pound, and I wouldn't be surprised if we did come back and retest this area where we saw a strong upward move. So looking at the market at the moment, how can we potentially look for an opportunity? Well, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame and just zoom out a little bit and just bring in the bigger picture, the big wider picture, we can see that price actually moved aggressively down here, and we're just consolidating back up. There's not really any buyers in this situation here at the moment. There's not aggressive buying back up. All we've got here is some slight, like a slight retracement, and if anything, it looks a bit like a flag pattern. So if I was to draw this, let me just change the parameters on this. If I was to draw down here, let's just zoom in slightly and then grab this like so, and this like so. We can see that the market has made that impulse to the downside corrective pattern. Price is now finding resistance where at previous structure lows, where buyers came into the market, pullback, finding resistance. So what I'm looking for here is the potential for the market to break out of this supporting trend line. We can see that the market has been supported a couple of times through here. If price was to break through that, I would expect a nice move to the downside, with targets being this demand zone of 84.99. Keep an eye on Euro Pound, could be a breakout opportunity here. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.